Hello guys, welcome to the Quizdom. Let's test how well you know the animal kingdom with the following multiple choice quizzes. Hit the subscribe button and let the game begin.
Which mammal is known to have the most powerful bite in the world? Correct, hippopotamus. What is the largest species of shark? Whale shark. Which bird is known for its ability to mimic human speech? Yes, it's parrot. What is the fastest land animal? Cheetah. Which animal is known for having a large, long-lasting memory? Correct, elephant. What is the primary diet of a panda? Bamboo. Which animal is known to spend 90% of its day sleeping? Yes, it's koala. What is the largest species of cat? Tiger. Which animal is known to have the longest lifespan? Galapagos tortoise. What is the only mammal capable of true flight? Bat, correct. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Yes, it's lion. What is the smallest species of bird? Correct, hummingbird. Which mammal lays eggs? Platypus. What is the main component of a rhinoceros head? Keratin. Which animal is known for changing its color to blend with its surroundings? Chameleon. Which animal is the largest terrestrial carnivore? Polar bear. What is the primary diet of a koala? Eucalyptus leaves. Which bird is a universal symbol of peace? Yes, it's dove. What is the largest land animal? Correct, elephant. Which animal is known for having a pouch to carry its young? Kangaroo. Which animal can regrow its limbs? Starfish. What is the largest species of penguin? Emperor penguin. Which mammal has the longest gestation period? Yes, it's elephant. Which marine animal is known as the unicorn of the sea? Correct, narwhal. What is the primary diet of a carnivorous animal? Meat, correct. Which animal is known to have 3 hearts? Octopus. Which bird is known for its elaborate courtship dance? Peacock. Which animal is known as the ship of the desert? Camel. What is the tallest land animal? Correct, giraffe.
Alright, please hit the like, share and subscribe button. And do turn on the notification bell for more exciting quizzes.
Which mammal is known for its ability to echolocate? Yes, it's bat. What is the primary diet of a herbivorous animal? Plants. Which animal is known for its black and white stripes? Zebra, correct. Which mammal has the highest blood pressure? Giraffe. What is the largest species of bear? Correct, polar bear. Which animal is known for its ability to camouflage underwater? Octopus. What is the main component of a deer's antlers? Yes, it's bone. Which bird is known for its bright blue feet? Blue-footed booby. Which animal is known for its protective armor? Armadillo. Which animal is known for being a symbol of wisdom in Greek mythology? Owl, correct. What is the primary diet of a frugivorous animal? Correct, Fruits. Which mammal is known to hibernate during winter? Bear. Which animal has the longest migration distance? Yes, it's bird. What is the primary diet of a piscivorous animal? Fish, correct. Which animal is known for having a trunk? Elephant. Which animal is known to have blue blood? Correct, octopus. What is the primary diet of an insectivorous animal? Yes, it's insects. Which bird is known for its ability to fly backward? Hummingbird. What is the primary diet of an omnivorous animal? Both A and B. Which mammal is known for its distinctive black and white coloration? Panda. Which animal is known to be the largest primate? Gorilla, correct. What is the primary diet of a detritivorous animal? Dead organic matter. Which bird is known for its colorful plumage and loud call? Correct, peacock. Which animal is known to have the best sense of smell? Dog. What is the primary diet of a nectarivorous animal? Yes, it's nectar. Which animal is known to have a prehensile tail? Monkey. Which bird is known to migrate the farthest distance? Correct, Arctic tern. What is the primary diet of a folivorous animal? Leaves, correct. Which animal is known for its long neck and ability to run fast? Giraffe. Which mammal is known for living in water but giving birth on land? Yes, it's seal. What is the primary diet of a granivorous animal? Seeds. Which bird is known for its ability to build elaborate nests? Correct, weaver bird. Which animal is known to be the largest invertebrate? Squid, correct. What is the primary diet of a myrmecophagus animal? Yes, it's ants. Which mammal is known for its ability to play dead to avoid predators? Opossum. Which bird is known for its red breast and melodic song? Robin. What is the primary diet of a molluscivorous animal? Correct, mollusks. Which animal is known for its loud roar that can be heard up to 5 miles away? Lion, correct. Which bird is known for its bright pink coloration due to its diet? Flamingo. What is the primary diet of a piscivorous bird? Yes, it's fish.
Alright, that's it folks. Tell us how many answers you guessed correctly in the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. If you find this quiz fun and exciting, please share it with your loved ones. Pick your next quiz topic and write it in the comment section.